My journey with castor oil began after months of struggling with dry, irritated skin that seemed resistant to expensive creams and serums. Winter had left my face looking dull, with fine lines becoming more noticeable around my eyes. I was skeptical when my grandmother suggested her old faithful remedy, pure castor oil. What happened next genuinely surprised me. Within just 2 weeks of consistent evening application, my skin's texture transformed. Those fine lines? Significantly less visible. That persistent dryness? Gone. My friends started asking what expensive treatment I'd splurged on. They couldn't believe it when I showed them the humble bottle of castor oil sitting on my bathroom shelf. But what exactly makes castor oil so effective? According to research published in the Journal of Cosmetic Science, castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, a unique fatty acid that represents approximately 90% of its composition. This compound has remarkable anti-inflammatory properties, helping to calm irritated skin while providing deep moisturization. A 2021 review in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences highlighted castor oil's ability to penetrate the skin barrier more effectively than many commercial moisturizers, delivering nutrients to deeper skin layers where they're needed most. This isn't just surface-level hydration, it's comprehensive skin nourishment. Here's what castor oil can realistically do for your skin. First, it's an exceptional moisturizer. Unlike synthetic ingredients, castor oil closely resembles our skin's natural sebum, allowing it to balance oil production rather than disrupting it. Researchers at the University of California found that natural plant oils like castor oil can help restore the skin barrier in a way that synthetic ingredients often cannot. Second, it helps improve skin elasticity. The ricinoleic acid stimulates the production of collagen and elastin, proteins responsible for skin's firmness and bounce. According to dermatologists at Mayo Clinic, maintaining these proteins is crucial for preventing premature aging signs. Third, it has antimicrobial properties. A study in the Journal of Microbiology and Antimicrobials demonstrated castor oil's effectiveness against common bacteria that can cause acne and skin infections. This makes it particularly beneficial for blemish-prone skin. Fourth, it contains antioxidants that help neutralize free radicals, those unstable molecules that contribute to premature aging. Research from the National Center for Biotechnology Information indicates that natural antioxidants can help protect skin from environmental damage better than many synthetic alternatives. Fifth, it supports wound healing and tissue regeneration. Studies published in the International Wound Journal have shown that components in castor oil can accelerate the healing process of minor skin abrasions and irritations, making it valuable for sensitive or damaged skin. How should you incorporate castor oil into your skincare routine? Start small. Castor oil is potent, and a little goes a long way. Here's a practical approach. For beginners, mix 3-4 drops with your regular moisturizer to dilute its thickness and make application easier. Apply to clean skin before bed, allowing it to work overnight. As your skin adapts, you can try using it directly, focusing on areas that need extra attention like the under-eye region or expression lines. Many people report best results when using castor oil 3-4 times weekly rather than daily. This moderate approach prevents potential pore congestion while still delivering benefits. For a more intensive treatment, try a 10-minute mask approach. Apply a thin layer to your face. Cover with a warm, damp washcloth for 10 minutes. Then gently wipe away excess. This method enhances absorption and provides deeper hydration. For those with extremely dry skin or those living in harsh climates, consider creating a simple overnight treatment by mixing equal parts castor oil and jojoba oil. This combination provides intense hydration, while the jojoba helps ensure easier absorption. While tracking your progress, look for improvements in hydration levels first, typically noticeable within 5-7 days, followed by texture changes, 2-3 weeks, and finally, more significant improvements in fine lines and overall firmness, 4-6 weeks. Taking weekly photos in the same lighting can help you objectively monitor changes. Important cautions: castor oil isn't suitable for everyone. If you have extremely oily or acne-prone skin, the thickness might exacerbate issues. Always perform a patch test on your inner arm before applying to your face. If redness, itching, or irritation occurs, discontinue use immediately. People with nut allergies should be particularly cautious, as castor beans are technically seeds, but cross-reactivity can occur. According to the American Academy of Dermatology, any new skincare ingredient should be introduced gradually,